Imagine feel like you're always on vacation, yet still right in heart of Sunnyvale. That's the experience the luxury resort-style backyard in my listing provides. To add to the relaxation, this home comes with own solar panel. You know what that means. Stress-free electricity, nestled in one of Mountain View's most sought-after neighborhoods. This towering home is just a short walk to top-rated schools. Beautiful parks like Cooper Park and Crescent Park, and only minutes from downtown Mountain View, which is your cultural connection. You're also near major tech hubs with easy access to Highway 85 and 280. Ready to step inside? Follow me. Welcome home. Rich hardwood floors lead you into a spacious open floor plan where dual pane windows space the home into natural light. Gliding past the dining area, we step into this sunny kitchen featuring high-end stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, ample cabinet space, and a large pantry. Across from the kitchen, you will find a cozy family room with access to the glorious backyard, along with a spacious laundry room featuring a washer, dryer, and a sink. Down the hall, there's a bathroom with a stall shower and a sun-filled bedroom that can serve as an in-law suite. Upstairs, you will find 4 additional bedrooms, one of which can easily be used as an office. The front bedrooms have access to a large balcony, perfect for enjoying morning coffee. Additionally, the primary suite is featuring a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom with a stall shower. And now the moment you have been waiting for, the luxurious backyard. Lounge under the sun, sip your favorite drink, and let this private oasis transport you from the Bay Area straight to Cabo San Lucas. That brings my tour to an end. I'm Rennashee, your neighborhood realtor, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will be waiting for you this weekend. Bye now.